Okay, my viewers, you have another question again. Okay, now we have to simplify 0.027 to the power of about 2 over 3. Now, I want to get to what to tell me which kind of law is this. If you know that you know the law, put it in the comment section and I want to see it everything. Have you done that? Very good. Now, this is what they call what now? Fractional what? Fractional law of the indexes. Now, if I'm going to do any magic here, I want to take you back to what? Back to your normal law, fractional law. We say we have x to the power of what? A over b. This x is what we have in this place now, right? While a over b is what? Is this 2 over 3. Which means that we're going to have, this b means roots, don't forget. It means what? Roots, right? So I'm going to put my roots here, roots b. Then we have the x inside the roots. Then we'll put the power there, which is a. Are we good now? So now I want to apply that to this same word, this same question here. Okay? Very good. Now, before we do that first, I'm going to convert this one to fraction. Okay, when you have 0.027, convert to fraction is going to be what? And let's take, guys, state, I'm going to have it as, we have 0.027 to the power of what? 2 over 3, right? Now let's go now. What is our what? Our 2 is what? The 2 is what? Is the a that we have here, while the 3 is what? Is b that we have here, right? So I'm going to put cube roots. Now what am I going to put now? The s is what? The s is this number that we have here. This x is the number that we have here, which is 0.027, right? Then to the power of what? To the power of 2. Are we good? Very good. You can see that I've arranged it according to what? To what we have in this formula. So the b is what? Is the cube root, while the a is what? Is the power. This is the cube root here. This is what is the power here. Next to this what? Now convert this one to fraction. So we have, let's put cube root of, convert this one to fraction is going to be what? So let's put it down. In my last video, I did it in my last video, okay? When I said that this point is going to stand for 1, then we count how many digits we have after the point. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So I'm having 3 digits. I'm going to have 3 0. That is 1, 2, 3. So therefore, it means that 27 over what? Over 1000 will give us what? 0.027. Are we good now? Now the next is what? Now let's put our what? Our power there back. So we have 2 here. Now the next to do one is what? Is that we need to equate this cube root. And we all know that this cube cannot cancel this 2 that is here. It is impossible, right? And what I'm going to do now is what? Is to put this number in what? In an index form. Now what? In an index form. I'm going to put both in what? In index form. Right? Then we can now equate this what? This cube root. Now let's do that now. Let's go. So we're going to have what? So what we have it as, let's go now. So 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27, right? While 10 to the power of what? The power of 3 will give us what? On 1000, right? So let's do that now. So we have cube root of, when we have 3 to the power of what? 3 will give us what? 27 over 10 to the power of 3 will give us what? 1000, right? So let's not forget the square. So we're going to have cube root of, now when we have the same what? The same exponent, it means that we can put it in what? In one bracket, right? If they're not the same, you can put it in one bracket, okay? So I'm going to have 3 over 10 all to the power of what? 3. Don't forget, this one has its own before, so let's put everything together as what? As 2 for this, okay? Now what can we do now? I can just say that this one counts what is here. I'm correct. And if you want to do it, you can multiply this one, this time this, 6 and divide it. Whichever way, okay? So I want to just make it very easy. This cancel what you have here. Bam. And what do you have left? We have just 3 over 2 all to the power of what? Squared. Right? Now you can play around the answer if you wish to play around the answer. Okay? I can say that this is my final answer. I'm correct. Or I can also say that 3 times 3 over 2 times 2, which will give us what? 9 over what? 4. Right? Now, either get this one, we have power here, we have square here. It means that this one multiplies itself 2 times, right? Which gives us 6. I hope you understand that. So you like the video. And make sure you share it again so that your junior can see it. Now, see you guys in my next video, okay? Thank you.